Hey, MonkeyHappy, look what we got. We got some goofy Putty for Happy. He don't even know what he is. First we're gonna see if he can take it out of the package. Maybe you should try the other side, Happy. Or not. You getting it? You scared of whatever's in there? Need some help? There you go, right there. Get it, hurry. Ooh. Some goofy Putty. What's inside there? Well, you gotta stay right here with me because little monkeys like you eat it. Oh, they put that tape on it, didn't they, Happy? Let me get you started here, buddy. There you go. Get it. Here, you do it. See what's in the egg. There's a surprise. Good job, Happy. Go, Happy. Good job, Happy. Open it up. Ooh, what is that? Don't eat it, don't eat it, don't eat it. Oh, look, Happy. That's really sticky. What is going on here, Happy? I can't see, buddy. Oh, the egg stuck together. It's not food. Okay, let's make this a better ball so it'll bounce better. You see that, Happy?
Don't eat it.
No, you can't have it to eat. It's to play with. He's like, this looks like one of them funny tomatoes. What you gonna do? No. Happy, bang it. Use your hands, silly. Look, Happy, watch. Watch, Happy. Look. It's okay, buddy. Watch. Trust me. You just gotta trust me. He's like, Come on, Happy, let's do it. Ready? See, look. Ooh, look at Happy being shy. What do you think, Happy? He's very curious. He's like, what is this stuff? Oh, you want to put it up? Yes, I got it. Help, Happy. Help. Where's my special helper, Monkey? Oh, thank you, Happy. Thank you. You saved me. That's a good boy. Man, me and Happy's looking dashing in our matching red today. Ain't that right, Happy? All right, Happy. This has been pretty fun. So, with the Play-Doh and putties, and this is actually some goofy putty, neon bright. We have to kind of let Happy ease into it. I have to be right on top of him because as you guys can see, he likes to eat everything. Yeah, he's like, I like to taste it. All right, you gonna be cute for everybody? So I say thank you for watching. Show everybody Happy. Hip. Hip. Happy. Up. Up. That's a good boy. Right there. Tell everybody, say thank you guys for watching. Give them kisses. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next video. One more time, go. Happy, ready? Go up. Up. Good boy, Happy. Oh, he's a little poser. He likes to pose.